Hi students, today we are going to discuss another topic, that is knapsack problem. It is an optimization problem. What is an optimization problem? We already discussed in the previous video. An optimization problem is a problem that requires either minimum or maximum result. Such type of problems are called optimization problem. In this problem, in knapsack problem, we have a number of items, each item having a weight and profit associated with these items. And we have a knapsack there. What is knapsack? Knapsack is simply a bag or a container which have a weight. Consider the weight of the knapsack as W. So, a knapsack is simply a bag in which we can fill these items. So what this problem says? This problem says that we can fill the knapsack with these items with an aim to improve, that is to maximize the profit. Yes, we can fill item to this knapsack with an aim to maximize the profit. But there is a constraint. What is the constraint? There is a constraint that the weight of the selected item should be less than or equal to the total weight of the knapsack. So, the knapsack problem states that we can fill item to this bag to maximize the profit, subject to a constraint that the weight of the selected item should be less than or equal to the total weight of the knapsack. That is, the aim is to maximize the profit. That is, to maximize we have to obtain maximum result. Therefore, this is a maximization problem. That is an optimization problem. Two variants of knapsack problem are there: fractional knapsack problem and 0-1 knapsack problem. Next is fractional knapsack problem. The knapsack problem states that we can fill items to the bag such that to obtain maximum profit with a constraint that the weight of the selected item should be less than or equal to the total weight of the knapsack. In fractional knapsack problem, we can divide the item into smaller fraction, and those fraction can be used to fill the knapsack. And the problem statement include n number of items. Consider 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n number of items, and for each item there should be a weight and profit. For ith item, the weight is denoted as Wi and the profit is denoted as Pi. For ith item, the weight is denoted as Wi and the profit is denoted as Pi. And there is the knapsack. The weight of the knapsack is denoted as W. In fractional knapsack problem, the item is divided into some fraction, and that fraction can be used to fill the knapsack. That is, if ith item is divided, then xi fraction of that item can be used. That item can be used to fill the knapsack. So that the xi of the ith item will contribute Wi into xi to the total weight and Pi into xi to the total profit. Our aim, what is our aim? Our aim is to maximize the profit, and our profit, our aim is to maximize the profit. That is, maximize summation I equal to 1 to n xi Pi. But there is a constraint. What is the constraint? Constraint is that summation I equal to 1 to n xi into Wi should be less than or equal to the total weight. That is, the total weight of the selected fraction of items should be less than or equal to the weight of the knapsack. That is fractional knapsack problem. Once more, the fractional knapsack problem states that we can divide the items into a number of fraction, and that fraction can be used to fill the bag to maximize the profit. That is, our aim is to maximize the total profit, and the constraint is that the sum of the weight, that is the total weight of the selected item should be less than or equal to the total weight of the knapsack. So our aim is to maximize the profit, that is maximize the result. So it is a knapsack problem. The greedy method can be better explained with the help of this knapsack problem.